asante sana for the honor you have conferred on me to take on this very, very heavy responsibility. The death of Raila has made us to be more than ever resolved to be a party not only of this size, but to resolve to be a party much bigger and bigger and bigger. And we cannot allow ourselves to be kumezwa. Hatutakubali kumezwa. We shall not agree kumezwa, because if you are strong, everybody wants to talk to you. But if you are weak, nobody wants to talk to you, because you are of no use to him politically. Politically, you are as good as your numbers. People ask you, what are you bringing on the table? What are you bringing on the table? If you are bringing nothing on the table, kaa kando. So you must bring something on the table, and the thing you have to bring in politics is numbers. So the death of Raila has given us the vision, first of all, to maintain the principles he stood for. The principles he held dear, which was fighting for justice. Raila fought for justice and was completely fearless in his venture for justice.